Okay, this is PowerDirector version 16. Let's see how to add more tracks here to the timeline. To add additional tracks, simply right click on any of those and go to add tracks. Okay, we can add video tracks, audio tracks and effect tracks. Let's say I want 2 video tracks. Okay, I want, let's say, 0 audio tracks and 0 effect tracks. Okay, we can position those 2 video tracks, let's say above track 2, and that's the second track, track 2. It has a video and an audio, and above it will be here. So let's click OK and let's see what happened. Track 2 became track 4 because I added another video and another video track above it. So if you insert both an audio and a video track, then those are grouped together. It has an audio and a video, just like this one, audio and video. And since I added only a video, now these are not grouped together, they are separate, just like the effect tracks and the text track.